Hello students, in today's lecture we will learn or solve some practice questions based on work, energy and power part 2. In this lecture we will cover practice questions from 11 to 20. Clear? Disclaimer. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iit.ac.in and we shall remove the images. So, question 11 is a bullet fired into a fixed target loses half of its velocity after penetrating distance of 3 cm. How much further it will penetrate before coming to rest, assuming that it faces constant resistance to its motion. Clear? Given options: option A 3 cm, option B 2 cm, option C 1.5 cm and option D 1 cm. So which one is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds we will provide solution. Let's find the solution. So we know according to the work energy theorem, which is W equal to change in kinetic energy. Clear? So this is the work energy theorem. Case 1, minus F into 3 is equal to half m v naught divided by 2 whole square minus half m v naught square. Clear? When solving this term, you will be get a relation where F is the resistive force and V naught is the initial speed. Clear? Case 2, let the further distance traveled by the bullet before coming to rest is S, and minus F 3 plus S is equal to kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial is equal to minus half mv naught square. Clear? Solving this term, you will get a relation minus 1 by 8 mv naught square 3 plus S is equal to minus 1 by 2 mv naught square. Clear? Which is equal to 1 by 4 3 plus S is equal to 1. And solving this term, you will be get S is equal to 1 centimeter. Clear? S is equal to 1 centimeter. Clear? So correct answer is D. D is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 12. A 1.5 kg block is initially at rest on a horizontal frictionless surface. When a horizontal force in the positive direction of x-axis is applied to the block, the force is given by F equal to 4 minus x square I cap. Clear? So this is the force given in terms of unit is Newton, where x is in meter and the initial position of the block is at x equal to 0. The maximum kinetic energy of the block between x equal to 0 to x equal to 2 is what? So here option C is 667 joule, option B 5.33 joule, option C 8.67 joule and option D 2.44 joule. So which option is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So we know from the work energy theorem, Kinetic energy of the block at distance x is k equal to integration 0 to x f dx. Solving this term 0 to x, where f equal to is given, f equal to minus 4 minus x square. Clear? Putting this force in this term, you will be get 4x minus x cube divided by 3. Clear? For kinetic energy to be maximum, dk upon dx should be equal to 0. Clear? This is for the kinetic energy to be maximum. And where k, putting the k in this derivative term, k is this 4x minus x cube divided by 3, you will be get after derivation 4 minus x square equal to 0 or x equal to plus minus 2 meter. Clear? You will be get this after the derivative of k. Clear? X equal to plus 2 meter and d double derivative d square k divided by dx square k equal to negative. Clear? That is kinetic energy is maximum. Clear? So maximum kinetic energy is equal to 4x minus x cube divided by 3. And putting the value of x in this in maximum kinetic energy, you will be get 5.33 joule. Clear? So correct answer is 5.33 joule. 5.33 joule. This is the correct answer. B option is correct. Clear? Next question. A block of mass m moving on a frictionless horizontal surface. Clear? This is a block having mass m moving on a frictionless horizontal surface. Clear? Collide with a spring, this is spring, of spring constant k and compresses it by length L. Clear? The maximum momentum of the block after collision is what? Given options is option A L under root mk, option B kl square divided by 2m, option C 0 and option D ml square divided by k. So which one is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So here, according to conservation of energy, half kl square equal to half mv square. Clear? This is term according to conservation of energy. Clear? So solving this equation, you will be get kl square equal to mv whole square divided by m. So mk L square is equal to p square because we know p equal to mass into velocity, momentum. So p equal to L under root mk. So this is the answer, p equal to L under root mk. Clear? So correct answer is L under root mk. A option is correct. Clear? Next question. A cyclist rides up a hill with a constant velocity. Determine the power developed by the cyclist if the length of the connecting rod of the pedal is r equal to 25 centimeter. Clear? The time of revolution of rod is t equal to 2 seconds and mean force exerted by his foot on the pedal is F equal to 15 kgf. Clear? So this is the F. Given option is A is 115.6 watt, option B 215.6 watt, option C 15.6 watt, option D 11.56 watt. So which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds we provide solution. Let's find a solution. So the given term is F equal to 15 kgf and R equal to 25 centimeter and T equal to 2 seconds. Clear? So we know the V equal to R omega, where omega equal to 2 pi upon med t. And putting the omega value 2 pi upon med t, you will be get V equal to R 2 pi divided by t. And putting all numerical terms which is given in question, you will be get pi by 4 meter per second. V equal to pi by 4 meter per second. Clear? We know the formula of power, P equal to force into velocity. P equal to force into velocity. Clear? Where F equal to 15 into 9.8. Clear? And V equal to pi by 4. Clear? And solving this term, you will be get 115.6 watt. Clear? So this is the answer. So A option is correct. A option is correct. 115.6 watt is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 15. Power supplied to a particle of mass 2 kg varies with time as P equal to 3t square divided by 2 watt. Clear? Where t in second. If velocity of the particle at t equal to 0 is v equal to 0, the velocity of the particle at t equal to 2 second will be what? The given options: A is 1 meter per second, option B 4 meter per second, option C 2 meter per second, and option D 2 under root 2 meter per second. So which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So given terms in the question, mass is 2 kg, varies with time, P equal to this t 3t square divided by 2 watt, where t in second, and velocity of particle at t equal to 0 is v equal to 0, and velocity of the particle t equal to 2 cent will be asked about in question. So we know the from the work energy theorem, change in kinetic energy is equal to W net, which is W net is the net work done. Clear? W net is the net work done. So change in kinetic energy is the final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Clear? Which is equal to PdT. Clear? W net is equal to integration PdT. So final kinetic energy is half mv square and initial kinetic energy is 0. And we know the P equal to 3t square divided by 2 W watt. Putting this P in this equation, integration 0 to 2 3 by 2 t square dt, and solving this equation you will be get half 2 v square equal to 3 by 2 integration 0 to 2 t square dt, and solving this integration term you will be get 4. So v square equal to 4, so v equal to 2 meter per second. Clear? V equal to 2 meter per second. So correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. Clear? 2 meter per second. Clear? Next question. Question 16. This is the graph question. A body is moving unidirectionally under the influence of a source of constant power supplying energy. Which of the diagrams as shown in figure in correctly shows the displacement time curve for its motion? Clear? Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So we know here P equal to, this is the dimension formula of P, which is equal to constant. Clear? As mass m of the body is fixed, so L square T minus 3 is equal to constant. So LC equal to L square divided by T cube equal to constant, where L is directly proportional to T, dimension formula of T raised the power 3 by 2, It means displacement is directly proportional to this term. Clear? So from this equation, the correct answer is B. B is the correct answer. Clear? B is correct answer. Next question, question 17. This is assertion or reason type question. Directions. Each of these questions contains two statements. Statement first, assertion, and statement two, reason. Each of these questions also has four alternative choices, only one of which is correct answer. You have to select the codes A, B, C, D given below. Statement first is correct. Statement second is correct. Statement second is the correct explanation for statement first. Clear? This type of questions is given in this. So question is statement first. Ignore this thing. Clear? So statement first is an object is displaced from point A to this point B. Clear? Under a constant force. The force is this, F equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap Newton. The work done by the force in the process is minus 9 joule. Clear? And statement second is work done by the force in an object can be given by a relation. Is this W equal to integration R1 to R2 F dot dr or W equal to F dot S. Clear? So which statement is correct? Given options is statement first is correct, statement second is correct. Option B, statement second is not correct explanation for statement first. Option C, statement first is correct, statement second is incorrect statement. Option D, statement first is incorrect, statement second is correct. So which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So we know the W equal to integration R1 to R2 F dot dr, where this is the R1 limit and this is the R2 limit, and F is this and dr is this. So solving this term, this and this term, you will be get this, and equating the limit, you will be get then minus 9 joule. Clear? And alternate since method, since F equal to constant, we can also use W equal to F dot S. Clear? So S is final displacement, final position minus initial position. Clear? So this is the final and this is the initial. Solving this term, you will be get minus I cap minus J cap minus K cap, where W equal to F dot S, and putting the all given term, you will be get minus 9 joule. Clear? So correct answer is A. A is correct. Clear? Next question. Two bales of masses M1 and M2 are separated from each other and a charge is placed between them. The whole system is at rest on the ground. Suddenly, the charge explodes and the masses are pushed apart. The mass M1 travels a distance S1 and then it stops. If the coefficient of friction between the balls and the ground are the same, mass M2 stops after covering the distance. So which option is correct? Option A, S2 equal to M1 divided by M2 S1. Option B, S2 equal to M2 divided by M1 S1. Option C, S2 equal to M1 square divided by M2 square S1. And option D, S2 equal to M2 square divided by M1 square S1. So which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So from the conservation of momentum, we get m1 v1 equal to m2 v2. Let this is equation first. Also, half m1 v1 square is equal to f1 s1, which is equal to mu m1 g s1. Let this is equation second. Similarly, half m2 v2 square equal to f2 s2, which is equal to mu m2 g s2. Let this is equation third, where mu is the coefficient of friction. Clear? On dividing equation second by equation third, we get this term m1 v1 square divided by m2 v2 square, which is equal to m1 s1 divided by m2 s2. Let this is equation 4. Using equation first and 4, we get v1 divided v2 is equal to m1 s1 divided by m2 s2. Okay? And solving this equation, this you will be get m2 divided by m1 is equal to m1 s1 divided by m2 s1. So again solving this equation, you will be get s2 equal to m1 square divided by m2 square s1. Clear? So C option is correct. C option is correct. Clear? Next question. A shell is fired from a cannon with a velocity v meter per second at an angle theta with the horizontal direction. At the highest point in its path, it explodes into two pieces of equal masses. Clear? One of the pieces retraces its path to the cannon. The speed in meter per second of other piece immediately after the explosion is what? Given options is A is 3v cos theta, B is 2v cos theta, C v cos theta, and D under root 3 by 2 v cos theta. So which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So velocity at the highest point is equal to v cos theta. Clear? Applying the principle of conservation of the linear momentum, we get 2m v cos theta is equal to m minus v cos theta plus mv prime. On applying the principle of conservation of linear momentum. Clear? And solving this equation, you will be get v prime equal to 3v cos theta. Clear? V prime equal to 3v cos theta. So correct answer is A. A is correct answer, 3v cos theta. Clear? Next question. A particle of mass m moving with a velocity u makes an elastic one-dimensional collision with a stationary particle of mass m. They are in contact for a very short interval of time t. Clear? The force of interaction increases from 0 to f naught in t2 t by 2 and then decreases linearly to 0 in further time interval t by 2. The magnitude of f naught is what? Given options mu divided by t, B option 2mu divided by t, C option 2mu divided by 2t, and D option none of these. So which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So this is the question. The collision will cause an exchange of velocities. The change in momentum of any particle is equal to mu, which is equal to the impulse equal under the area under the force time graph. Under the force time graph, so mu equal to half f naught into t. Clear? So solving this term, f naught is equal to 2 mu divided by t. Clear? So correct answer is B. B is correct answer, 2mu divided by T. Clear? Next, summary. So the major formulas is bullet penetration, W equal to change in kinetic energy, and S equal to 1 centimeter. Second, kinetic energy from variable force is this, and maximum momentum with spring half KL square, and power developed by cyclist V equal to R omega. Clear? So this formula learned in today's lecture during solving the question. Velocity from power, delta K equal to W net. Displacement time curve. Clear? Elastic collision of ball bearings, M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. Momentum conservation. Distance covered by masses, and exploding cell, and force during elastic collision, F naught equal to 2mu divided by T. Clear? So these we learned in today's lecture. Clear? Thank you.